In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subdomain to Hostinger. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Let's start by opening up your web browser. Head over to Hostinger's website. You can simply type in the URL or click on a bookmark if you have it saved. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, take a moment to soak it all in. This is where the magic happens. Next, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Give it a click and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Type in your email and password and then hit that login button. You should now be at your Hostinger account dashboard, also known as the H panel. The next step is to go to the home page within the H panel. Here you'll find an overview of all your Hostinger services and options. From this page, locate the domain section. It will likely be one of the main options on your dashboard, and it's here where you'll manage everything related to your domains. Click into the domain section. Once inside, you'll see a list of your domains. Find the domain to which you want to add a subdomain. Next to it, there should be a manage button. Click on this manage button to proceed. Now you should be in the domain management section. The first thing you need to do is click on DNS/name servers. This selection will allow you to access the DNS settings necessary for setting up your subdomain. Within the DNS section, you'll want to look for an option that says Manage DNS Records. Go ahead and click on this. This will open up the record management page where you can add, modify or delete DNS records. Our main focus now is to add a CNAME record. This is a type of DNS entry used to create a logical link between one domain and another. In simpler terms, it will point your subdomain to wherever you want it to go. To add a CNAME record, there will typically be a button or link that says Add Record or CNAME. Click that. You'll need to specify a few details for your new CNAME record. Enter the name of your desired subdomain. For example, if you want blog.yourdomain.com as your subdomain, just input blog. Then enter the destination to which this subdomain should point. This could be another one of your domains or an external site. Once you have all the details sorted, confirm and save the new record. And that's it, you've successfully added a subdomain in Hostinger. Remember, DNS changes can take a little while to propagate, so give it some time if the subdomain doesn't seem to work instantly. Keep this tutorial handy for your future projects, and happy building!